How's it going, everybody? My name's Release Radar, and in today's video, we take a look at the BOBOVR M2 Plus Headstrap for the Oculus Quest 2. Let's get into it. So I just got this thing about a day ago, and I have not had the chance to put it on the Quest yet because I was wanting to do a video on it. The package does have a huge gash in the front of it right here. So I don't know if that's going to change the way that you open this up. How do you open this up? Give me a second here. That was not the prettiest unboxing experience, which is why I did that off camera, but I'm going to go ahead and cut the tape seal here. And let's open this up and see what we're working with. That's upside down. I promise you I unbox things. Also, I'm installing Fallout 4 on the ROG Ally because the next gen update is live as of today. But we have this box right here, which I assume this has the little battery packs in it. Let's see real quick. Just go ahead and open this up. So in this little box, yep, you have both of the batteries. And so I'm going to go ahead and take one out here. So this is what the batteries look like. They're a little heavy, but not super heavy. And it looks like they quick release as well, which is really cool. Here is the actual head strap itself with an additional set of, I think these are honeycomb, so you can have better grip on your face. So I'm actually going to take that out first. Let's take a look at what these are. Yeah, so these are a different texture for the rear grip, so you can use these instead if you feel like it's not gripping your head enough. And then lastly here, we have the actual strap itself. So yeah, let's see how these batteries connect. So there's those little prongs there. There's these dots on the bottom. I think you just boop. And just like that, it's working. And it shipped fully charged too, which is awesome. I just smacked my microphone. So let me clear up the mess after I go through the rest of the box, which is just some documentation. So yeah, give me a second to clear up some space and then I'll go through the install process, which I hope isn't that complicated, but we'll find out. There's a couple more things hiding in this box, like USB-C cables for power delivery and charging, I assume. And then underneath this should be the actual dock itself for charging the batteries. Yep. So this is the little dock that you put the batteries on to charge them, which just plugs in with the USB-C. And just like with the way they attach to the headset, you just plop it down and it charges. So yeah, that's really cool. So let me try to get this thing installed now. So to remove the actual strap on the Quest 2, you push down right here, I think, on this little white piece, not the speaker, but right before it till you see that little thing start to come off, and you just kind of pull a little bit, try not to bend, and it should, yeah, wow, okay, just come off like that. So I'm going to do the other side. So once again, just push down a little bit, don't bend the speaker, don't put too much pressure, and it should, in theory, just pop off. I feel like I'm going to break something, but I did not. Okay, cool. The next step is to take out the front faceplate, which is the cushion right here, and I think it literally just pops out, so apparently it pops out real easy. Yeah, just like that. Okay, that was really easy to do. And then lastly, you just unstrap your Velcro strap and just pull it through. And just like that, you have removed the strap from your Quest 2. And now, really quick, I'm going to install for the first time the BOBOVR strap, and I assume all you have to do is slot the two slides here. As you can see, they have little, like, guides, so you can just slot it right in. Make sure the headset is facing right side up, which is the battery pack should be facing up, obviously. And it's, you know, the charging cable should also line up on the same side as well. And you just go ahead and slide it on. Grab my faceplate, line everything up, and just click it back into place. And your last step is just to plug in the little USB-C. And to make sure everything's working, I'm going to go ahead and put a battery on. And the Quest 2 should signify that it is charging on the opposite side, which you see that little white light, which means it's charging, and it goes down to orange because it's not fully charged. And that's the whole head strap installation process. And honestly, it's pretty easy. I will say that the headset does feel a little bit heavier on your head, obviously with the battery pack at the back of it, but it kind of balances out a little bit with the weight of the headset on your face. And you also have some finer adjustments back here. But this magnet, if I turn the headset upside down completely, that's not going anywhere. Like, it is on there good. So props to BOBOVR for the strong magnets. And you can even charge the thing if you lose the charger as well. So I'm pretty impressed with this thing so far. And honestly, if you have the money and you don't have one of these yet and you have a Quest 2, And I think they also make one for the Quest 3. This is definitely worth it. So this is a quicker video than usual on this channel, but overall, so far with what I've used so far, and you also have some adjustment back here to change it to fit your head, but overall for what I've used so far, this VR head strap with the batteries by BOBOVR is 100% worth the money. So kudos to BOBOVR. This thing's probably been out for a while. I'm pretty late to the Quest 2 game, but I definitely recommend this thing. And with all that being said, thank you so much for watching. My name's Release Radar. I cut my finger earlier today, so don't mind the band-aid, but my name's Release Radar. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video, whatever I make. Peace.